I'm losing my mind just a little.
Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will gonna show you how to install Linux distribution in VirtualBox, requested by my beautiful classmate and friend Jemery Canlom. Hello Jemery. So let's start by opening our VirtualBox. Okay, after opening our VirtualBox, we need to create our virtual PC. So to create that one, let's click the machine tab, then click the new button. Then after that, a prompt will appear here. Here, you'll name the operating system that you want to install. For today's video, we're gonna install the Linux distribution name. It will. We can use this open use Tumbleweed GNOME Linux distribution. So let's what's the name? Open. So okay, that one. See, as we type the name of our operating system, as you can see, the type shall automatically go to Linux, then the version of the operating system. So just click next. Then after that, we have the memory size. Here we can allocate our memory size. I will gonna just 2 gig. I'll just use the 2 gig memory size. So here, just click create. We will gonna choose the create virtual hard disk. So just create. Then here we will gonna choose the VirtualBox disk image. Then next. Then in the storage and physical hard disk, we will gonna use the dynamically allocated. Next. Then here in the file location and size, this will be the allocation of our virtual storage. So we're gonna use it will be 15. I will use 15 gig allocation of our storage. So create. Then as you can see, we have now created our virtual machine with the name opens use. So now we will gonna click the settings. Correct me if I'm wrong, the name of the operating system, because I'm not familiar with the open use Linux distribution, so I don't know how to pronounce it. But well, you can type the correct pronunciation of that name of operating system. So here we're gonna go to the storage tab, then click the control IDE with the empty disk. Then here click the blue disk, then choose or create virtual optical disk. Then you must locate the ISO file of your operating system. So let's click the add button. Then we must locate our operating system. So I put it in E, then operating system Linux, then open use GNOME. So there are 2 open use the distribution, which is open use Leap and open use Tumbleweed, and there are many other more. So let's just choose this, then open, then click the choose button, and as you can see, the empty was been replaced by the open use Tumbleweed GNOME ISO file. So click OK. Then after clicking OK, let's start. will gonna take a while, but okay. As you can see, we are now in the installation process. This will be our virtual machine, and okay. So in the installation process, we will need to just wait. And of course, the ISO file, you can download it below the description. So just go to the description of this video and you can download, there is a link that where you can download the ISO file of this Linux distribution. Okay. As you can see, in installation, every installation process, it will take a while. Even in Microsoft, even in any kind of operating system like Windows or in Mac or any other, it will really take time to install. So you just need to be patient because patience is virtue. Okay, we're back now, and as you can see, we have already installed the OpenNews. So this is the user interface of the OpenNews. So let's go to settings. And don't forget, every time that you do every time you do something, you need to screenshot and paste it in the Microsoft Word so that it will be recorded. Okay, so there is here is the users. So click the user tab, and you need to unlock a user. I think something is not unlocked before. So let's unlock. Okay, just click that. Then let's change the user to your name. Okay, my name is Alan Ray Mingi. Okay, that's it. And then you can now screenshot and pass it to the activity. You can pass it in the Teams. So that's all. Thank you for watching.